Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, so if you enjoy subscription boxes and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Guys, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on right now. It is linked down below in the description box. It ends on the 26th of September, so you do still have plenty of time to enter. Guys, as you can see, we have the Jackie's chocolate subscription back. Yes, we do. So we have the box right here. Now it does come mailed in like an outer like FedEx package, and then inside of that it is insulated in a silver like bubble mailer with a cool pack to keep it cool in transit. So I think that that is really great that they do that. And then even then, this is still actually saran wrapped. I haven't opened this yet. I've opened this box a couple of times on my channel. It is always amazing. The chocolate, not only is it gorgeous, but it's delicious. And I love here, they had some things here in a Ziploc bag with it that I want to show you guys. So it just says, a visit from Grandma Jackie always meant three things: a warm hug, stories about Lake Bagamon, and a box of her old-fashioned handmade chocolate. Stubborn and wise, Jackie never swayed from using the freshest and purest ingredients in her chocolates. We're happy to keep Jackie's tradition alive and happy to share her gift with you. If you find yourself craving more or need gift ideas, visit us online. And you will, I promise, because they are that good. They are literally some of the best like chocolates that I have tried. Like, any type of box chocolate, no thanks. This, I want Jackie's. But they sent a couple stickers that say Jackie's chocolate. They sent a pin, and I actually have a lanyard that I keep pins on from different boxes, so that will get added to that. And this looks like it could go onto a keychain or something. So they just put a couple extra little goodies in there. But let's get this open. I'm going to tell you about Jackie's, and then we're going to see exactly what we got in this box. So, Jackie's chocolate. Get it open. Jackie's chocolate is a monthly subscription, and it is $29.95 a month, and it does include free shipping, and what you're going to get is about 15 chocolates per box. It says, the perfect treat to pamper yourself or surprise a loved one. Each month you'll receive a scrumptious assortment of artisan chocolates, including crunchy nuts, chewy caramels, fluffy marshmallow, and creamy fruit-filled centers enrobed in silky milk chocolate, decadent dark chocolate, and velvety white chocolate. And like I said, about 15 pieces in each box. I do believe they have sugar-free, but you can include a gift message, and like I said, it is free shipping. It says, our team carefully curates each month's box, often coming up with clever and tasty tributes to the holidays. Keep an eye out for Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine's boxes. So, like I said, it's $29.95 a month. I'll put a link down below if you'd like to check them out, but like I said, it does include free shipping. And I have a promo code, which is SMOM10. It'll get you $10 off your first order, which is really awesome, because $29.95 free shipping. You use that, your first month is only $19.95. And trust me, for the quality of this chocolate, that's a steal. And then they do just say that they check the weather, for each and every shipment. When necessary, we use thermal insulation, deep freeze cold packs, and the transit time is 48 hours or less. So that's what I was talking about. It has like a cold pack in that silver insulated bubble envelope. So this is what the box looks like once you take the plastic off. This is so pretty. They always have it here. And then when we open it, it's got a little protector. Y'all, oh my goodness. This, oh my God, it just smells amazing. Just, okay, I'm just going to show y'all because just, yeah. Can you see that? Like, they even have pumpkins and leaves decorated on this chocolate. It is fantastic. Oh my goodness. Okay. It does give us a list that is included to tell you what the chocolates are. So, just look at that again. Oh, yum, 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 yum. All right, so in this box, we have a pumpkin spice bark. Yum. I'm just gonna stop saying yum because otherwise I would say it after every word or every description. 70% dark chocolate truffle, milk chocolate buttercream, milk chocolate coconut chew, milk chocolate amaretto truffle, dark chocolate vanilla caramel, milk chocolate maple leaf truffle, and a dark chocolate maple leaf truffle, milk chocolate pumpkin pie truffle, and a dark chocolate pumpkin pie truffle, a dark chocolate butter pecan truffle, milk chocolate almond butter toffee, oh my goodness, white chocolate butter pecan, and white chocolate creamsicle truffle, white chocolate orange creamsicle truffle. Whoa, okay. Well, I was gonna try one for y'all, and I don't know which one to even try. Well, honestly, I don't know. Well, maybe I can figure it out. Okay, so I am thinking that the pumpkin pie truffle, because there's one milk chocolate and one dark chocolate, I think that we have one here and one here. So I'm going to go for the dark chocolate pumpkin pie truffle, which is what I think this one is. So you can see it there. Like, it looks like artwork, not chocolate, but it is chocolate. And it's, oh my goodness. Let's see if this is the pumpkin pie. Maybe not. Maybe. I got a little bit more of the dark chocolate. This is it. There's that flavor. Yep, this is definitely it. So this is the dark chocolate pumpkin pie truffle, and oh my gosh, once I got it, it was like, oh my goodness. Sorry. I love pumpkin spice, pumpkin box, you know, and chocolate. So the two together, I get a little excited. All right, so that was absolutely delicious. I didn't want to like eat that like completely in front of you. So I cut a little bit out. I got the lid back on, and this is going to be put up, and I'm going to keep the list and know that I have got some amazing chocolates for the weekend, and I know I've got some sheet masks, so that is yeah, sheet mask and chocolate, and I'm good. So like I said, I will put a link for Jackie's chocolate down below along with that promo code SMOM10 to save you $10 off your first box. I promise you will not be disappointed. And like I said, it makes a great gift. It makes just a great gift to yourself. It's just delicious. Let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I do want to say a special thank you to our channel members. Your support means so very much to me. And I just appreciate you guys more than you know. I also want to say just thank you to everyone for being here and watching. That is amazing, and I appreciate that as well. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.